Hello again everyone, this is Mr. Hoy. In this video, I'm just going to extend the previous problem that discussed how to make a table using a function and finding the starting point and then finding the points that follow. Here I'm going to take the table from that last video. Here we got -3 and -6 as our starting point, and we're just going to look to develop the domain and range, or determine the domain and range. The domain is the set of all x values. So your first thing you want to do is identify you've got an x here. Then you want to figure out whether or not the x values are increasing or decreasing in your table from your starting point. Our starting point, our starting x value is -3, and the numbers are increasing from there. So we'll say that x is greater than or equal to -3, and that will be our domain. Then you can also write this as the set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to -3. All right, with the range, same thing goes in terms of how we start this. We want to identify the variable. We've got a y there. We want to identify the -6 from our starting point. But one thing I want to note here is that the y values are going down. So we start at -6 and we go down by 5 each time. We're going to have a y value for the range. We're going to go with a less than or equal to -6 in this case. Again, we can represent that as the set of all y such that y is less than or equal to -6.